which reminds me of something.
Capos that work perfectly the first time?
This is another song. You'll recognize the name. It's a new melody. The Holly and the Ivy was a song long before it was a carol. And it was a pagan song, and it was like the pagans in praise of winter, or in praise of nature and, light and the loss of light. And they were amazed that the holly, that it retained its leaves all winter. And they thought there was some magic in that. And coniferous trees, too. So I adapted the song to kind of have a slant toward more of my kind of spiritual outlook. Oh, the holly and the ivy, they are both full grown. Of all the trees in the wood, the holly tree does bear the crown. Oh, the rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, and the clapping of the branches, beating out the will to be. And the holly bears a blossom, white as any milk, fair and fine as morning, spinning out the day's new silk. And the holly bears a berry, red as any blood, and the snow it shines so brightly, shining out for everyone. And the rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, and the clapping of the branches, beating out the will to be. And the rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, and the clapping of the branches, beating out the will to be. And the holly bears a bark, bitter as any gold. Beauty sometimes hides the wicked, a lesson there for one and all. And the holly bears a prickly, sharp as any thorn, that the very dark of winter, coming dawn does bring the morn. And the rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, and the clapping of the branches, beating out the